Good morning. My name is Manjot Kaur. Today I will go through a retirement planning problem that involves calculating the future value of annual deposits as well as determining the annual withdrawals needed to deplete that fund over time. Let's say we have an employee who is planning for retirement. In this scenario, they will be making a yearly deposit into a savings account, and we will calculate how much they will at the end of their savings period. After that, we will figure out how much they can withdraw each year during their retirement to ensure the fund runs out after 30 years. I will also show how we can solve this problem using the BA2 plus calculator. So you can see here is a problem. An employee is planning to retire in 15 years. To plan for this retirement, he deposits $18,000 at the end of each year into a saving plans. The balance is then converted into a fund from which end of the year withdrawals are made for the next 30 years. If money is worth 4.5% compounded annually, what is the size of the annual timeline? So now we introduction to the problem. An employee's plan to retire in 15 years and has to save for retirement. They will deposit $1,800 at the end of each year for the next 15 years. After 15 years, the balance will be used for annual withdrawals over the next 30 years. And also, interest rate is 4.5% compounded annually. We need to calculate the future value of these deposits and the size of annual withdrawals. So here now I will show you a timeline. So don't today's I don't know, and the after that 1 year the amount of $1,800. After that, in 2 years we don't know about how much amount, and the PMT we also don't know. I will calculate it on the next part. IV is 4.5% and CV value of 1. So now I use the BA2 plus calculator to calculate this. First, I entered the values N15, IV 4.5 annual interest, and PV is 0, and PMT $1,800. Then I calculate future value. We find that the future value FV after 15 years of making these deposits is approximately $374,112.98. This means after that 15 years of making annual deposits of $1,800, the employee will have accumulated 374,112.98 in their savings plan. So in this slide, I will show you the calculate annual withdraw amount PMT2 for retirement years 16 to 45. Now I will move to the second part of the problem. how much the employee can withdraw annually over the next 30 years during retirement in such a way the fund is completely depleted by the end of the 30 years. We know the employee has accumulated 1374,112.98 after 15 years of savings and they want to withdraw from this deposit amount for the next 30 years. The interest rate is still 4.5% compounded annually, and they want the balance to reach from $0 after 30 withdrawals. Let's now I use the BA plus calculator again to find out the annual withdrawal. Here, the PV is the present value which is accumulated amount of 1374 with 112.98 dollars. Let's input these values into a BA plus calculator. First, clear my previous value. Press second, then F3 to clear the future value. Press 2, then CLR TBM to clear the time value fields. Enter the values N30 and IV 4.5, PV 37411.98 and FV 0. PMT to calculate the annual withdrawal. The result will be 22,967.37. So here is a conclusion. The employee savings $800 annually for 15 years and after 15 years their accumulated savings grow to 374,112.98 dollars. During retirement they can withdraw 22,967.37 dollars each year for 30 years, depleting the account to zero by the end of the 30 year. This shows how careful planning and using the BA2 plus calculator can help in retirement planning, ensuring funds last as long as needed. So this is my all video presentation. Thank you so much for listening to me. Mm, I think BA2 plus calculator very useful for me and it helped me a lot. Not only my this video but also in my quiz also. So thank you so much.